going to curl her hair with a curling wand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section each layer and start curling those pieces. Before I start curling everything, I'm just gonna spray her hair with some Texture Tease spray, just to give her hair more texture so that the curls can hold a little bit more on her hair. I also want to mention that I did put some hair extensions on her hair just to give the hairstyle a little bit more definition and more shape and color. So these hair extensions that I'm using on her are from Bellamy. They are the 18-inch length in the ash blonde shade, and I just kind of toned it a little bit. So these are mine before, but I put it on her hair just to give the hair a little bit more definition and style. So I'm gonna go ahead and start curling her hair. So now I have created just some simple waves on her hair, and as you can see now the extensions are just peeking through, which I like. So right now what I want to do is I just want to add a little bit of volume here at the top of her head. So I'm just going to do a little bit of back combing. Alright, so I'm just going to grab some hair as usual from the top, and then I'm just going to spray. I'm sorry if you guys can't see that. So I'm just going to spray it right up there. I'm just going to back comb. So I'm just going to back comb it just until I get to the top layer of the hair extensions here, just so that I can hide it a little bit. And it's just going to give more of a shape to the whole hairstyle so that it's just not flat after I complete the whole look. Okay, so now I'm just going to carefully take down the whole sections that I've back combed and just lightly brush it out just to smooth it. You don't want to completely brush out the back comb, then it's just going to defeat the purpose of why we started teasing everything. So you just kind of want to take maybe like the sides of the comb right over here, the edge, and then just want to smooth it down just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start off with the waterfall. So this is just going to be a twist braid waterfall. It's not going to be an actual braid, it's just going to be a 2-strand twist. So basically I'm just going to take 2 strands of hair and twist it like a regular twist, but I'm going to be dropping one section down and picking up the next section as I twist, and you guys will see it once I start creating the look. I'm just going to grab some hair here from the front of the head, or like the side, just like so. Just going to brush it back a bit, and then I'm just going to divide it into 2 strands. So I'm going to just basically twist. So I'm going to take the bottom part of the twist it upwards, and then that new left section, I'm going to drop that, and I'm going to pick up a new section, and then I'm going to twist it up. And then that bottom section, I'm going to drop it again, and then I'm going to grab another section, and and then I'm going to twist that. So I'm going to do it one more time. So I'm going to drop that one, and then the new section I'm going to grab like so. I'm going to twist that. So basically just going to keep repeating that until I get to the middle back of the head. So now that we've reached kind of the middle part of the back of the head, I'm just gonna twist the two strands together like a regular twist, and then I'm just going to pull a little bit on the twists here just to loosen them up. I'm going to take a small rubber band and I'm just going to secure that whole twist together. And then I'm just going to put that aside until I complete the right side of the twist, and then I'm going to bring them together. So moving on to the right side, let me show you again. I'm just going to go and sleeve a few strands of hair down at the front, and then I'm going to grab a section like this at the front and divide that into two strands, and then you're going to bring the right one upwards. So I'm going to bring the right strand up and cross, and now my new right strand I'm going to drop, and then I'm going to grab a new section. And then I'm going to bring that up as well and twist, and then drop that right section, and then grab a new section for the right strand. Now that we've put the two sections together, I'm just going to take another hair tie and tie this two together. So as I just turn this around here, as you can see the little strands of waterfall coming down from the twists. So it's just like a regular twist, except you have the strands just peeking down, if that makes sense. And then on the other side as well, you can see that. So if you have a strand like this at the front, you can keep it there, but it will be much nicer if you add a curl to it. So I'm going to just take my wand here and just give it a little bit of a curl. And now with the hair tie that is peeking through, you can either take some hair and just twist it around and pin it with a bobby pin underneath like so, or if you have a hairpiece, you can use that and just clip that on to the middle. So I'm just going to do it this way. I'm just going to take this little hairpiece and clip that to the back of the hair. So there you have it, guys. This is the twist waterfall half up hairstyle, perfect for prom, grad, or pretty much any occasion. So if you guys did like this video, as always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!